This is a line tracker robot kit. It consists of a PCB board, a switch, 2 potentiometers, a chip, 2 transistors, a few resistors, a couple of electrolytic capacitors and 2 LEDs on top, and also LEDs at the bottom. These are infrared LEDs with sensors, light dependent resistors, and 2 motors with the gearbox and the wheels, which gets attached to the board, and that bolt to guide it. It's just basically to hold it up. Very easy to build, a good educational kit, and the only downfall to this kit is just the glues at the bottom of this wheel, the gearbox of these motors. You have to just make sure that you glue them right, or the adhesive at the bottom. It's just a strip of adhesive. You can strengthen it with your own glue or as it is. I haven't done anything to it. I've just used the original adhesive, and it's pretty much, you know, strong enough to hold it, and it's fine. It's just when you glue it, you just have to be careful to put it in the right position, that's all. 2 AA batteries, and you'll see it'll follow a black line track. So if I have that on a paper, or you can just use insulation tape on a table and just go around in black insulation tape, it will work fine. So turn it on.